Yovani Gallardo getting his warm-up tosses in before this one. Prince Fielder getting loose in the cage. The idea of him smashing a baseball, we'd get back to that later. Houston and Milwaukee bottom first. Corey Hart leading off, starting things off with a bang.
Corey drives it to right and deep. Hey, way back. Get up. Get out of here and gone for Corey Hart. And the Brewers have the lead.
Call courtesy WTMJ. Yovani Gallardo in command early in the second inning. He strikes out Chris Johnson. Michael Bourne goes down looking to end the third. Bottom of the fourth inning, Brewers ahead 2-0, 1 on, 1 out. It's Gallardo with the bat, trying to help himself. Carlos Lee in left field with a pretty sliding catch, robbing Gallardo of a base hit. Brewers would not score in the inning. Bottom five, 3-0 Brewers. Runners on the corners and 2 outs for Jonathan Lucroy. He rips a double down the left field line. Prince Fielder and Yuniesky Betancourt come in to score. Lucroy would be thrown out at third base, trying to take the extra bag. That would end the inning, but the Brew Crew now with a 5-0 lead. Top 7, 5-1 Brewers. Gallardo cruising along, striking out Brett Wallace to end the frame. Gallardo, 7 shutout innings, striking out 7. 5-1 Brewers in the 7th. 1 out, nobody on for Prince Fielder, and he absolutely crushes one.
As Fielder swings and hammers one deep to right, all the way back and out of here. That ball landed in Wauwatosa. Just an absolute missile to right by Prince. And the Brewers now lead 6-1. Man, was that ball hit.
Call courtesy WTMJ. Fielders 24th. The Brewers go on to the 6-2 victory. Gallardo gets his 12th win. Jay Happ saddled with his 13th loss. Corey Hart, a 4-hit day. 3 hits apiece for Prince Fielder and Jonathan Lucroy. The Brewers make it a 5-game winning streak.